Enhance your home security with the top 5 best video doorbells, offering advanced features like HD video, motion detection, two-way audio, and smart home integration. Whether you want subscription-free storage or cutting-edge AI detection, these doorbells provide safety, convenience, and peace of mind. Number 1. eufy Security Video Doorbell. The eufy Security Video Doorbell with dual cameras offers advanced home security by delivering two unique perspectives. The front-facing camera focuses on visitors, while the downward-facing camera captures packages or any activity at the doorstep. This dual camera system ensures comprehensive coverage and eliminates blind spots. Equipped with 2K Full HD clarity, the video doorbell provides crisp, detailed visuals, enhancing facial recognition and overall security. Nighttime security is elevated with color night vision, featuring a dual light system and advanced algorithms that reduce blur and provide clear views up to 16 feet, even in low light. Installation is versatile with battery and wired options. The battery-powered setup is quick and convenient, while the wired mode continuously charges the battery for long-term performance. Note that wired installation requires a 1624V power source. Alerts are easily managed with flexible pairing options. Connect it to eufy Homebase, Alexa, Google Assistant, or a compatible chime to receive alerts throughout your home. Importantly, eufy's local storage solution ensures privacy with no subscription fees, offering secure access to your footage without recurring costs. Overall, the eufy Security Video Doorbell is a feature-rich, user-friendly solution for anyone seeking enhanced home security and convenience. Number 2. ecobee Smart Doorbell Camera. The ecobee Smart Doorbell Camera seamlessly integrates with your smart home, enhancing both security and energy efficiency. Featuring a 1080p HDR resolution and an expansive 175 degrees vertical and 187 degrees diagonal field of view, it offers a clear, comprehensive look at your doorstep, capturing everything from visitors to packages. The Smart Focus feature with Auto Pan provides closer, detailed views, ensuring no important details are missed, day or night. With two-way talk, you can communicate with visitors remotely through your smartphone or tablet, adding convenience to your security. The system offers rich notifications for motion detection and alerts when doors or windows are opened or closed. Additionally, it integrates with your fax system, automatically turning it off if a door or window is left open for over 5 minutes, helping reduce energy costs by up to 26% annually. Pairing with the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium transforms your home into a complete monitoring hub with built-in smoke detection and break-in alerts. Professional monitoring is available through the ecobee Smart Security Plan, offering live video alerts and 30-day video storage. New users receive a free 1-month subscription, making this doorbell camera a smart, eco-friendly addition to any home. Number 3. Botslab Video Doorbell Camera. The Botslab Video Doorbell Camera offers a cost-effective and feature-rich solution with $0 subscription fees and 32 GB of built-in local storage. Additionally, it includes a free cloud storage option, ensuring your detection videos are securely saved without ongoing costs. Its standout 360 degrees panoramic view and 5MP resolution provide a full, head-to-toe view, enhanced by a fisheye lens that captures fine details like packages or shoes at your door. With 4 viewing modes, you can customize your perspective to suit any situation. The doorbell boasts an impressive 210-day battery life thanks to its 6,400 mAh rechargeable battery, with a wired option for continuous power. Dual-band Wi-Fi support for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz ensures a fast, stable connection, and seamless integration with Alexa and Google Assistant adds hands-free convenience. Advanced AI detection with radar and PIR sensors minimizes false alerts by distinguishing between humans, lingering visitors, and general motion. The customizable detection zone feature allows precise monitoring tailored to your needs, keeping you informed about who's at your door. Overall, the Botslab Video Doorbell Camera offers excellent value, combining high-resolution clarity, AI-powered security, and zero-cost storage, making it a smart choice for homeowners seeking robust and affordable protection. Number 4. ieGeek Doorbell Camera. The ieGeek Doorbell Camera is a feature-packed, budget-friendly option with no subscription fees and dual storage options, local via a micro SD card and lifetime free cloud storage for 6-second clips with a 7-day loop. This double protection ensures your data is secure even if local storage is compromised. It also supports Alexa integration for added convenience. Installation is a breeze with its 100% wireless design and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. Powered by a 5,600 mAh battery, it lasts up to 2 months with 20 daily triggers. The two-way audio feature, coupled with a fun voice changer option, lets you communicate with visitors or deter intruders creatively. Additionally, you can set pre-recorded voice messages for quick responses. The PIR motion detection system offers a range of up to 20 feet and sends real-time alerts within 3 seconds, reducing false alarms with adjustable sensitivity and humanoid recognition. The 1080p HD resolution and 130 degrees wide-angle lens provide a clear view of visitors and packages, even at night, thanks to its infrared night vision. With a 3-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, ieGeek delivers reliable home security with strong customer satisfaction guarantees, making it ideal for any household. Number 5. Aosu Wireless Doorbell Camera. The Aosu Wireless Doorbell Camera offers comprehensive home security with its 170 degrees ultra-wide angle and 9/16 vertical view, providing a complete head-to-toe image of visitors and packages. The 2K Full HD resolution ensures every detail is captured with exceptional clarity, so you'll never miss a visitor or delivery. Unlike other systems, Aosu doesn't require a subscription to protect your packages. Its package detection feature sends instant alerts when deliveries arrive, giving you peace of mind. Advanced human detection technology minimizes false alerts by focusing on people, not animals or shadows, ensuring timely and relevant notifications. The two-way voice communication allows you to interact with visitors from anywhere, and the voice changer adds an extra layer of privacy or security. For quick responses, use the preset voice replies to greet guests or deter unwanted visitors. Aosu integrates seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing hands-free control and real-time alerts. The included chime ensures you'll hear notifications even when you're away from your phone. With robust features, reliable performance, and no subscription fees, the Aosu Wireless Doorbell Camera is a smart investment in protecting your home and family.